Alright, so let's go over the other functions of the RingPlan app. Next, I'm going to go over faxing. So here under More, we have the fax option, and that's actually going to bring me into my fax boxes that I have. And same thing as with texting in the upper right-hand corner. I've got several fax numbers that I can use. And I actually have this selected on my 916 fax number right now. And a couple things here. So we've got inbound, outbound, schedule, a filter, a sort option, and a search bar. So for inbound, these are all the inbound faxes that I've received. And if I want, I can just click on one of those, and that will go to that fax, and you can see when that fax happened, and you can preview that fax. I can save it. I can zoom in and out. I can rotate it, things like that. I can also download it from here, and that's how I can kind of see the faxes. And you can kind of do that for whatever fax that you're trying to do. This one was a fax with 57 pages. Just testing to see how a large fax would look. Next, we've got our outbound queue. This is things that we have tried to send out. You can see if the status was sent or not, and if it's failed, we can see what we tried to send and that it failed. Or we can also see what we tried to send and that it was sent. And it also has how many pages we were sending at the time. So for schedule, this is if you want to send a fax at a certain time. Same thing, you can go in here and see what we tried to send at the time, how many pages it was, things like that. If I wanted to create a new one, I can either select a contact to fax to, or I can just type a fax number in. I can put a subject in, attach a file, things like that. And I could actually put my schedule in there and schedule the send. And same with outbound. Let's say I just wanted to send it right now. I can go in there and just put a phone number in there if I want, write a subject, attach the file, and then, or I can drag and drop it in there, and then I could hit send and send it out that way as well. So that is the faxing functionality in a nutshell. Go ahead and try that out. Send and receive a fax into your app, and if you need help getting that set up, there is a admin setup. They probably need to direct the fax number to you and things like that, but once it's all set up and ready to go, you can go in and test that out inside the app. All right, now it's your turn.